A sample of 0.1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius and normal pressure 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square requires 54 cal of heat energy to convert to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. If the volume of the steam produced is 167.1 cc, the change in internal energy of the sample is. So, for this question, according to the first law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equals to du plus delta W, which is equals to 54 into 4.184 is equals to du plus PdV, as delta W can be written as PdV equals to 54 into 4.184 is equals to du plus 1.013 into 10 to the power 5 into 167.1 into 10 to the power minus 60. And after all these calculations, the du value would come out to be 208.7 joules. So option number 3 is correct. Yes, option number 3 is the right answer.